So after looking at another video, I had realized that all of the straw that was in there had pretty much turned into compost. So I went ahead and gave them another bale of straw yesterday, and now with the winter update, it's actually supposed to snow tomorrow through Sunday, actually starting tonight, so it's supposed to snow here for about 4 days. So I figure I'm gonna give them another bale of straw and some good snacks to keep warm. As you can tell, everyone loves fresh straw day around here. Junie going through the scraps in the corner. Alright, let me cut it open for you. Very exciting, I know. Everybody loves fresh straw day. So it's been about an hour and they've completely spread all the straw. And now in preparation for the cold, I'm gonna give them a little bit of meat scraps and some food with some extra black oil sunflower seeds and black soldier fly larvae for extra protein.